Yeah. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I'm increasing power now.
Okay.
Lift off very, very carefully. And then dive off the cliff.
Yes.
Oh, and we got to go check out
The lake.
the lake. And that waterfall is just nuts. Last year we brought stand-up paddleboards out here and spent the whole day paddleboarding this
Oh,
lake.
wow. Wow, look at that. So gorgeous.
Now this is glassy water effect. Like you could literally fly straight into that.
Yeah.
If you weren't really paying attention.
Wow.
Oh man, you know what we might need to do?
What?
We might need to crawl underneath that big thing of ice.
It's
See if I can get a flat spot to land over here.
too pretty to get very far around here.
You thought we were going flying, we were just going bopping. Bopping around. All right, take a peek at your skid as I touch.
Back bear paw has contact. This skid's on the ground at the orange part, but not in front of it.
Perfect. We got the back of the skid, full contact. My skid is full contact. It feels nice and solid. And I'm just gonna peek. Oh yeah, tail's hanging high.